Hi guys, morning. It's feeding time.
Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Here, chickie. We may not get a big response this morning because, number one, it looks like Bannon has already been up here. And also, come on, chickies. Come on, cheeky. There comes a few. Also, oops, because I've been feeding scraps off my porch all morning. I've done a loaf of bread. Now we're gonna drive. Yeah, I'm driving. Go ahead. Say what you want to. I don't care. And I'm gonna feed. Well, it looks like the water bucket's already been turned over this morning. That's great news. Big Bob likes to, oh wow, that's been turned over too. What in the world? What in the world? Sorry guys. This is not good. We had a little situation last night. Hang on a second. First of all, let's look here at the mama hen and all of her babies that are grown now out here in the woods. This is not good. This is why nobody's hungry this morning. And this is so we had a ruckus up here last night. Good morning, babies. Good morning. Hey, come here a minute, buddy. Well, I'm looking at this situation with this feed barrel. How long has it been like that? Was it like that when you come up here?
I poured it out because it smelled.
You poured it out.
Yeah, because it smell stinks.
Bannon.
Oh, it smells.
Honey, it doesn't smell stink. That's just how that smells.
Yeah.
You dumped out a barrel of feed.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, goodness gracious. Get over here and give these horses a scoop.
Okay.
The rest of it will have to go to the chickens and the goats, I guess. Full scoops. Oh my gosh. Give them 3 different ones up across through this way.
Huh?
They gotta have 3 different scoops. Hey, good morning, babies. Good morning.
Here, Maggie. One for you. Okay, Mom.
Was the water bucket turned over too?
Huh?
Was the water bucket already turned over too?
Wait a minute. I didn't do that.
I didn't say you did.
I how they do? They just put water in it, and I didn't know that. we feed them on. We did it.
Okay, go get some more.
We bought one.
Full scoop, man. That's just a little bit. Go get a full scoop. Oh, alright.
Got you something. Bob, not for you. Bob, not for you. I got him on.
Alright, buddy.
Where's Daddy come back?
Daddy is at work. He'll be home this evening. He'll be home this evening. Alright, Will. Look at this little guy. What's up, little guy? What's up, little guy? What's up, buddy? Still got some hair hanging on for dear life. What are you doing, man?
I'll stay right here. Hey, Mom, the boogie basket. There's a tree right here.
Yeah, they're eating the tree, aren't they?
What's the matter? Tree. That's not like apple, Mom. They eat.
Does it smell like apples?
They
Or
smell
what they're
like
eating it.
apples. They smell like it.
Anyways,
Oh, look at Bob. Look at
mystery
Maggie, Mom.
solved. Here I was thinking about a bear. Meanwhile, it was the Bannon.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
I couldn't explain, but the
Alright.
vacuum got out. I swear, Mom.
I don't know why you
Trust
would
me.
dump out that whole barrel of feed.
Because it was no stink. Because
It doesn't smell stink.
well, how
That's just how feed smells.
where would the mama go then?
Alright, guys. I'll talk to y'all later.
Bye.